Welcome to today's luxury house tour. And trust me, this one is going to blow your mind. We're stepping inside the U.S. mansion of none other than Cristiano Ronaldo, a place where world-class design meets the lifestyle of a legend. From the moment you arrive, the first thing that grabs your attention is the sheer scale. A modern architectural masterpiece, framed by endless glass walls, sleek marble finishes, and a panoramic view that stretches beyond the horizon. This is more than a house. It's a statement of power, prestige, and perfection. Step inside, and it feels like you've walked into a luxury hotel designed just for him. The mansion boasts 3 expansive living rooms, each with floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light. The open-concept kitchen gleams with the latest in smart technology, while a dining space fit for a champion overlooks a private infinity pool. The details are breathtaking. 7 bathrooms lined with Italian marble, a private gym that mirrors a professional training facility, and a home cinema designed for ultimate comfort, because even Ronaldo needs to unwind after ruling the pitch. But it doesn't stop there. This house is built for both privacy and entertainment. The master suite isn't just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary. Think private balcony, a walk-in closet bigger than most apartments, and a bathroom that feels like a personal spa retreat. Outside, the backyard is nothing short of spectacular. The infinity pool seems to merge with the skyline. The outdoor lounge is built for unforgettable summer nights. And of course, a custom-designed football pitch for Ronaldo to keep his skills razor-sharp right at home. Every corner of this house tells a story of ambition, of victory, of what it means to live at the very top. It's bold, it's extravagant, and yet it has an intimacy that makes it feel personal. So, what do you think? Could you imagine yourself living in Cristiano Ronaldo's mansion in the US? Or is this lifestyle just a dream? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more luxury house tour that bring you closer to the homes of the world's biggest icons.